Hello and welcome back to the LeadQuizzes Trade Academy. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can customize the look and feel of your quiz content. Now, once you're done creating your quiz content in the build section, you move to the design section, you click on it. Now, from this design tab, you can basically customize the look and feel of your quiz to be similar to your brand. So from this tab, you can change the text, font family, and font color. You can also customize other colors, the background color, the button text color, the answer highlights box color, the answer border color, the background container color, as well as you can upload a background image to your quiz content, which will be visible throughout the entire quiz. Okay, so we're going to take this step by step, and I'm going to show you how you can do this. Now, first of all, we're going to change the font family. Now, when you click on the drop down, you get to see the various options we have available on LeadQuizzes. So from these options, you can select one which you want to be the font family of your quiz, which will be visible throughout the entire quiz. All right. So font family right now is Lato. I'm going to make it 80 cents. All right, there we have it. Now for the font color, I still want to leave the black, but you can change the font color by either typing in a hex code or using the color tool and dragging it in this color section to change the font color, right? But right now, I want to leave it on black. Okay, so that's my font color. Now, next, I want to change the button color. So I want to have this button color to a bit of purple. All right, so just like the font color, you can do this by typing in the hex code or using the color to select what color you want to have. All right, so right now, I'm going to leave this at a bit of dark purple. Okay, there we have it. Now next, I want to change the answer highlight box color. All right. Now what this means is if I click on stats, the highlight that goes on the answer you're trying to select, I want to change this color. All right. So I want to have this to also purple, lighter. Okay. There we have it. And just like the last two, you can do this by either typing the hex code or using the color tool to select what color you want to have in there. Now also you can change the background color and you can change the button text color, right? Now, but for this quiz, I want to have the background color on white, okay? And I want to have the button text color. So this is the text inside the button. I still want to have this on white, all right? But still the same process. You can change this by just typing the hex code or using the color to select which color you want to have for this, okay? I'm just going to leave that. Now, next, what I want to do is I want to change the answer border color. All right. Now, the answer border color I have in here is black. I want to have this to red. There you go. Okay. Now, also, you can change the background container color. All right. So right now we have the background container color set to white. All right. So this is the container which takes the content of your quiz. So the texts, questions, and the result and all that. All right. So I want to have this on white. Okay, but likewise, I want to reduce the opacity. Okay, there we have it. Now, finally, I also want to upload background image to my quiz. All right, just to give it that look and feel so we can get to know exactly where I'm trying to go from the first look. Okay, so I'm going to click on upload background image. Select what image you want to upload. But bear in mind that whatever image you want to have in there has to be within the recommended image size dimensions of 1920 to 1080 pixels. Okay, so there you have it, my background image. All right, so now I have my background image. I can go up to my border container color and I can still play around with the opacity to see, what I want it to be. Okay, so this is all right. Right? So once you're done with all that, you can click save and you've saved the design for your quiz. But bear in mind that the design changes you make in here affect almost all the aspects of your quiz, not all the aspects of your quiz. So it doesn't affect the content you will have in the results builder if you're making use of the result builder in building your results. Right? So it doesn't affect the content you have in there. For that aspect, there are options in the result builder for you to customize whatever content you have in there. Okay. Right now, in the next video, I'm going to be going over the configure tab and the different ways you can update the settings of your quiz as well as the privacy policy. Bye.